Hey, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonline tradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Hey, it's a trade that we had this morning in the GrokStar Room on PBR. And this yellow line represents at opening, and it shot up, and then was doing a bull flag. And then it did break out from that, but just this 1680 area just seemed to be resistance and resistance and resistance. Went sideways for a little while. Kept it on the back burner, and now it's doing a bull pullback here. And so I told folks, if it breaks the 1680, let's go long. And sure enough, it did, and it did on volume right there. Boom! Now we are in at $16.82 long PBR. All right, and it took off from there nicely, and it pulled back just a little bit, gentle pullback, and then boom. Now look how the 8 EMA is pretty much holding as support here. So I'm going to keep right under the 20 moving average, and now at my stop, it's at above break even. And boom, it broke out from that, and now it's high basing here again. Another possible entry, and boom, it breaks out again, and it goes up here. And look at that beautiful run right here, and then boom, all the way up over $17. It didn't even stop at the even dollar amount. Then we had some bogus order down here. Kind of concerned us, but basically it's doing another bull pullback here. Another possible long entry. There it is, and it comes up again. See, several opportunities for entry on this. And then it was just sitting here for a long time, and I thought it was getting a little too overextended. I went ahead and I took out half at $17.17 for 2.0% on the first half. I'm still long the second half. Let's see what happened next. There it goes. Boom, it did break out from that high base. Look at that. Went up here the 1740 area, then pulled back hard. So hard it dropped below the 8 EMA and got me out at the 2724 for 2.4% on the second half. So let's look at this entire trade here. On this bull pullback here, I broke out, and then I took half here at this high base right there, and then it came down and closed below the 8 EMA, and I got out the second half. Total trade was for 2.2% in 42 minutes. Yes, this one took a lot of patience, and if you look here, the volume on that, you see this number right there as I'm recording this at 2 o'clock Eastern time. That's the current price of it. That's 17.27. Then this is this morning. It was the trade ended at about 10:50 Eastern time. Okay, well, just want to remind you that we are having a mentoring program coming up in November. It's going to be in Las Vegas. It's going to be live, and if you want to participate in that, you can just go to our mentoring page right here. Just tap on mentoring. And this is a description of the mentoring program itself. And if you're interested at all about it, we do have a special going on in regards airfare and hotel room. So if you go ahead and put your information in this box right here and hit submit, Carolina will give you a call and interview you and see if it's appropriate for you to be in that 3-day mentoring program. This is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. Hey, just remember that in Darwin's theory of survival of the fittest, he wasn't talking about the fittest being the smartest of the species. He was talking about those who could adapt to the changes in the environment the quickest. They survived. How does that apply to you as a trader? Trade well.